Hello, I'm Amaryllis. I will show you a super easy craft to decorate for Halloween using paper doilies.
To make the ghost garland, you will need some paper doilies,
Any size is fine. I think these are like 30 centimeter. Scissors, some rope or yarn, a black Sharpie, and tape, or you can also use glue.
First you have to fold the paper doily
And try to do it in 6 equal parts. So as you can see, I fold it in half, and then you have 3 parts, which means a total of 6 different parts. You fold it back, and then you have to cut it to give it the ghost shape.
You can draw the ghost shape on the paper or just cut it as you go.
You round the tip to make the ghost head. And you have little ghost. You can see. Now you use the black Sharpie to draw eyes and mouth. Just have fun creating as many ghost faces as you like. And you repeat to make as many ghosts as you want to create the garland. As you can see, it's very easy. You cut a piece of twine rope or yarn. I will use black because it's the perfect fit for Halloween. You place the rope on the back of the little ghost, and you take a piece of tape, or you can also use glue, as easier for you. Tape will just work fine for this easy craft. And then we glue all the ghosts together to create the garland. It's a very fun craft to make with family and kids. Like everyone can create several ghosts, and you just glue them together to create the garland. Super fun and easy. Try to keep the same space between each ghost. Look how cute the ghost garland turns out. Just hang it and have fun decorating for Halloween. Please like and follow for more easy craft.